We got a 2015 F150 that came in today. The customer said he had a misfire. Check engine light was flashing. He knew that using a basic scan tool, he was able to determine that cylinder 4 was misfiring, and he said he changed all of the spark plugs and changed the one coil pack on that cylinder. So he brought it in, said that it was still happening, he was still having the problem. Let me let you hear it real quick. Now when I rev it up just a little bit, so basically you can hear that sound, which is the inside of the catalytic converter rattling around. So what has happened here, we're pretty sure, is that the catalytic converter itself has broken apart inside. The honeycomb is actually broken and it's rattling around inside of the catalytic converter, and I believe that it's causing a clog on this bank of the engine. So let's see if we can confirm that with our codes and data. And sure enough, our data supports that. If you take a look here, you can see that we're getting a misfire. Cylinders 4, 5, and 6, and we're also getting a catalyst efficiency for 430. So let me show you how those are all tied together. All right, so if you take a look at the engine layout, this is our cylinder layout with the cylinder numbers. This is exactly how it sits in the vehicle if you're sitting from the driver's seat. So you can see how we're having a misfire in cylinder 4, 5, and 6, and we're also getting a code and a noise from our catalytic converter that comes off of this side of the engine. So it's a good indication that we have a clog in that catalytic converter, and it's causing this entire bank of the engine to misfire. So it looks like we're going to need catalytic converter on the left side of this engine, probably both of them.